In this section, we're going to be looking at division properties of exponents. So we're going to look at the quotient of powers property. The quotient of two non-zero powers with the same base equals the base raised to the difference of the exponents. So again, they must have the same base. We see that we have 6 to the power of 7 over 6 to the power of 4. We can see that they both have a base of 6. So it becomes 6 to the power of 7 minus 4. So basically you're subtracting the powers when it is division. That leaves you with 6 to the power of 3. Now we can look at another example of this. We have 3 to the power of 8 over 3 to the power of 2. Again, this is division, so we're going to be subtracting the exponents. So this can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 8 minus 2, which we simplify to 3 to the power of 6, and then that's simplified to 7 to 9. Now we're going to look at an example of dividing numbers in scientific notation. So our problem is going to be 2 times 10 to the 8th divided by 8 times 10 to the 5th. So first, let's write this in fraction form. So 2 times 10 to the 8th over 8 times 10 to the 5th. So we can divide the 2 and the 8 first. So 2 divided by 8 is going to be 0.25. Now we look at the 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 5. We can see that they have the same base. So we subtract the exponents again. So 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 to the power of 5 is going to be 10 to the power of 8 minus 5, which equals 10 to the power of 3. So now we know that our answer is 0.25 times 10 to the third power. Now we're going to look at positive power of a quotient property. A quotient raised to a positive power equals the quotient of each base raised to that power. So what this means is, let's say we have 3/5 to the power of 4. We can think of this in simpler terms as 3/5 times 3/5 times 3/5 times 3/5. Which would equal 3 to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 4. So when you have the exponent outside and it's positive, you're going to raise each number in the fraction to that power. Now we're going to look at negative power for quotient property. A quotient raised to a negative power equals the reciprocal of the quotient raised to the opposite power. So let's say we have 2/5 to the negative third power. What you want to do is first flip your fraction, and that will make your exponent positive. So from 2/5 to the negative third power, you go to 5 over 2 to the third power, and now you can distribute the power to both terms. So you get 5 to the third power over 2 to the third power. This can be simplified to 125 over 8.